बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will learn about social studies, and today we will learn about chapter number 9, natural disaster. What's natural disaster? So students, you can see here some MCQs are here. Choose a correct answer and fill in the circle. First is cyclone are called hurricane in. First option is northern hemisphere, southern, eastern or western. So the answer is northern. Next is natural disaster have harmful effect on human being, animals, vegetation, all of them. So students, all of them are harmful for all of these things. Next is to reduce the effect of flood, we need to cut the trees, plant the trees, build damage, or B and C both. So the correct answer is B and C, means plant the trees and build the dams. Next is earthquake is the result of plate movement, rain, volcano, avalanche. The answer is plate movement. Next is horrible earthquake which struck Kashmir and some parts of KP was in 1959, 2005, 2008, 2010, and the correct answer is 2005. A large mass of snow, ice, soil or rock falling down a mountain side is called flood, cyclone, avalanche, volcano. The answer is avalanche. Next is the benefit of cyclone for dry areas in the form of rain, sun, dust or heat. The answer is rain. Next is the minimize the destructive effect of earthquake we often build wooden houses, mud houses, concrete houses, or stone houses. The answer is wooden houses. Okay, now come to the question answers. Enlist the natural disaster that you are witness or heard about. The answer is the natural disaster include flood, earthquake, cyclone and avalanches. Next question is what is earthquake? The sudden shaking of the part of the earth's surface that often cause great damage is called earthquake. So next, what is flood? Due to global warming, a huge quantity of snow melt on the mountains. When a large amount of water causes the river of the overflow the bank and spread in the nearby dry areas is called flood. Next is what is volcanic process? The answer is when hot liquid matter moves underground, it comes out through the weak part of the surface of the earth with great pressure is called volcanic process. Next is what type of area does avalanche occur in? Avalanche occur in snowy area. Next is what is advantages of cyclone to tropical area? Answer is despite the destructive effect, it is also beneficial for the dry area for kick starting the rain and moving the heat from tropical areas. Next is how can the destructive effect of cyclone be minimized? And the answer is before the cyclone, check the roof and cover it with the net or bamboo. Check the walls, pillars, doors and window to see if they are secure. So students, this is our today's lecture. I hope you understand very well. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.